Are you concerned with what's happening right now in the world? The crisis that's going, the rising fuel prices, and most likely inflation on our most basic needs, most especially the food. If you're concerned, what are you doing about this? So I would like to see in comments, write in comments below, what do you do when crisis is coming? And so in this video, I'm going to be sharing to you biblical principles of what people in the past did in times of crisis. And so let's get started. Thousands of years ago, there was a guy named Noah. In the book of Genesis 6:14, God told Noah to build an ark. And take note, during those times, there were no rains yet. It was a summer, a very good weather, but God told Noah to build a ship. There's one thing that we can learn from here. Have a plan B even before the crisis hits. If you have a job right now, good. Keep it. Do good at it. But at the same time, what's your plan B? Start creating your plan B already, because we all know that if the prices goes up, our income will not dramatically go up. There will be sudden promotion that can double or triple our income. So what happens to our family if prices would go up? Now is the best time to prepare. And God is telling us, the same way that He told Noah, it was not raining, but God told Noah to build an ark, to build a ship where he could keep his people and his family and all the flocks and all the animals. So the same thing. Build something today while you still have your job, while you still get paid well. Build something already on the side. Do not wait. Do not wait for the flood. Do not wait for the layoff to come, or do not wait for the crisis to be fully blown before starting something, before building something. And always remember, dare to dream. And I'll see you tomorrow.